The vision of Pink Women on Fire is to literally reach out to the unreachable children of our nation. And the mission is to speak love and encouragement to let them know that their dreams are valid despite of their economic status. I'm Gina Navarro and I'm the founder and leader of Pink Women on Fire. Pink Women on Fire started in April of 2013. It actually started as just a vision, understanding what my purpose is. So, I thought about reaching out to the kids. This time, ito naman yung napag-desisyon na naming puntahan para naman makilala yung mga bata ng Patpat. If we will not make a one step forward, then no change will ever happen. Dahil doon, ang Pink Women on Fire ay patuloy na maglalakbay kahit sa mga malalayong lugar, even those who are unheard will soon have their voice through us.